He's here, thank the Lord, he's here, yay.
Take your seat.
So my name's Billy Tsiolis, and I play Richard Haney in the play The 39 Steps. The 39 Steps follows my character, Richard Haney, as he follows down a mysterious spy thriller story, and he tries to find out what the 39 steps are, a mysterious entity that the audience has to try and discover with him. And along the way, we get a lot of really fun gags and some great comedy. The show itself is a parody of a classic Hollywood film from famous director Alfred Hitchcock, so it's a lot of fun, and it's really funny as well as action-packed and mysterious. The cast and crew have had a lot of fun in this comedy because there's so much freedom to play around. The roles that you get to dive into are ridiculous and full of great gags. So working together, we got to produce a lot of fun work that was definitely an enjoyable experience. A week before the show, there's always the normal jitters, but that's what makes the experience so exciting. I think we're prepared, and I think it's going to be something that's really great.
To the chairman's flattering description just now, to realize he was talking about me.
Yeah, so the 39 Steps is simply a show that you can enjoy with any friend, family member, because it has such a great combination of both action, mystery, comedy, great characters, and a lot of great performances from our cast and crew who've worked really hard and have produced something that's really great. It's simply just really enjoyable and a great way to kick back. The 39 Steps premieres next week on Thursday, February 27th, Friday 28th, and Saturday on the 29th. You can visit the CDS business office or the CDS website to buy tickets. Hope to see you there.